Hello and welcome to the Madison Area Chamber of Commerce website. We want to give you a quick tutorial about how to use the Member Information Center. Just go to madisonindiana.com and at the top of any page, click Member Login. Now most members have received an email to set up their password for the Member Information Center. If you've done so, your username is typically your email address. Then enter your password. If you've forgotten your password, just click Forgot Your Username or Password and they'll send you an email to reset it. If you've never received an email to set up your account, just give us a call or email us at the Chamber and we'll help you out. Once you've entered your username and password, click Submit. That'll take you to the Member Information Center, which looks like this. It's really easy to navigate and we hope that you can find everything that you need here. And if you ever have any questions, of course, you can give us a call at the Chamber. Your account balance is always going to be right here on the right-hand side of the page. So it's easy to pay your membership dues or even an event ticket or workshop. Also, upcoming events will be right here on the right-hand side so that you can register easily. Under the directory, you're going to find a lot of information that you don't typically find on our public directory page. Things like email addresses and particular individuals within a company and their email addresses. Under the Events tab, you can add an event or you can manage the events you've already added. Within the event, a couple of really important things to keep in mind. If it's an all-day event, make sure that's checked. If it's not an all-day event, make sure that you put in the start date and time and the end date and time. Also, try not to use recurrence very often, and if you do, give us a call and make sure that it's set up correctly. Under Details, you can format this area as much as you'd like. You can even add links and tables and all kinds of other things, change fonts and sizes. Under Meta Description, which is a field that you'll find often throughout the Member Information Center, this is really important because it allows search engines to find words to help people find the events and other things that you're posting on our website. Under the search description, you want to make sure that's filled out as well so that people on our website can search for your event. Then enter the location, the date and time, the fees and admission. You can, again, link that to any tickets, sales, or any kind of other registration sites that you have available. Enter your contact information, email, website, and then choose an event category. Perhaps it's a fundraiser or community event. Then you can add your own main event photo, search results logo, or gallery photos. You can add up to 8 of those. Make sure that you put in your map service so that people know where to go. You can either put in a Google map or you can upload your own image. You can also upload a video from YouTube if you have one for your event. Once you're finished, you can submit that for approval. Once it's submitted for approval, it comes to us, and once we approve it, it will go directly to our website, our Facebook page, and our Twitter page. So back up at the top here, you can go to the Resources tab. Under the Resources tab, you're going to find a lot of different things. There are different categories of resources over on the left-hand side. For instance, if you click Member Benefits, you're going to find lots of different things from an ambassador application to bulk mailing instructions to a conference room agreement in case you want to rent our conference room for a meeting. Under Reports, you can find the statistics for how many people are viewing your business on our website. So this is just the website alone. This doesn't include any social media links we have to your business or referrals that we make in-house. So here you can see the total impressions you've had, the number of member page views, search results displays, and if you've added a hot deal or a job posting, or if you've purchased a banner ad or had one included with a sponsorship. These are really great, so you can kind of see day by day the kind of return on investment that you're getting for being a chamber member. We'll skip the news tab for just this moment. There are lots of things that we'll see here very shortly. Under settings, you can set up both a personal profile and a company profile. Obviously, your company profile is probably what's most important to us and to you. So under your profile summary, you're going to want to make sure that you have everything filled out as much as possible. Organization information, please check to make sure that it is filled out completely and all the information is correct. Under the website information, there are a couple of things that I want to point out to you. Make sure that your web page content is what you would like to show up on your web page. If it's not the same as the organization information, unclick this box right here and it will allow you to change that. The only social networks that we have available to link to directly from your business directory page are Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. You can add those here. Hopefully they'll have additional social media networks. Hopefully they'll be adding Instagram and LinkedIn soon. Under web description and text content, you're going to want to make sure that you enter all of these different fields. If you have an enhanced listing, you can add highlights. Keywords are very, very important. Keywords help search engines to be able to find your business listing, and they help to be able to they help other people to find your business information within our directory. So try and think of all kinds of different search terms that people might put in when they're searching for the kinds of services that your business offers. And then, of course, just click Save Changes, and those will be pretty immediate, so you can go straight to your business directory listing and check that. Under Billing, you can click Payment Profiles. You can add a new payment profile and put a credit card or a bank account in for you to use for all kinds of different things, whether, again, it be your membership dues or a workshop or event. You can make a payment. You can see your transaction history, or you can go to your shopping cart. So let's go back home. Over here on the left-hand side, these shortcuts are really fun and really important. So Hot Deals is one that a lot of our retailers will use. If you click Add Hot Deal, you can add all sorts of different things. So let's say that we have a business that's A+ wholesaler. And we're going to call it a 20% off coupon, and the tagline, wow. Underneath details, we can say 20% off for any wholesale item. You can change the font, you can link it, whatever you'd like. Meta descriptions are very important. Again, short description, your offer start date and your offer end date, a search results logo, you can add that there. And then very importantly are the active dates. When do you want it published on our website, and when do you want us to take it off of our website? Then just submit for approval, and again, these will go immediately to our website, Facebook, and Twitter. Member-to-member deals work the same way. News releases work much the same way as well. You can add a news release, enter the information, and submit for approval. Job postings, the same way. You can add a job posting, enter the title of the job that you're looking for. Executive assistant, for example. You can enter the job description here, meta description, the category of your job, contact information, active dates, and an image. And then you can save as a draft or submit for approval. Our market space area is kind of in development at the moment. We hope to have more updates for you soon. I think that's a pretty good overview of our Member Information Center. If you have any problems whatsoever, please call the Chamber 812-265-3135 or shoot us an email and we'll be happy to help you out. I hope this was informative and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.